In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Vivint glass break sensor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the low effort process for you to remove your glass break sensor from Vivint. Most likely, this will take 2 to 5 minutes, and you will need a ladder or stepping stool if the sensor is up high, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a key or flathead screwdriver. To start, disarm your system. So make sure that it is fully disarmed before progressing. This will prevent any false alarms from the process that we are about to do. To start, open the sensor and remove the batteries from the inside. This is why I mentioned you might need a key or a flathead screwdriver. This will be used to gently press on the tab at the top of your detector. This will allow you to lift the batteries out of the cradle on the back plate. So after this plate is removed and fully exposed here, you will be able to remove the batteries from the inside. They will usually be at this lower compartment here, and you can remove them using your hands. Then you will have the back plate mounted on the wall. To remove it, you will undo 2 screws, here at the top and one right below it in the middle. This is where the batteries were originally located, so you should be able to remove them from here and then have full access to both screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. This will allow you to remove the back plate from the wall. After this is done, you can reattach this back plate to the sensor and start it aside. As long as you fully removed both batteries, there is no risk of storing it long term. So just make sure that you remove the batteries and do whatever you wish. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.